Okay, we're on page 157 in our Go Math books, and we are talking today about equivalent ratios. We have a few problems down for us to work out, and they're found on page 157. We're working on problems 5, 6, and 7. Now, when we talk about a ratio, the first thing we have to make sure we understand is a ratio means that we are talking about a part-to-part comparison. These ratios look like fractions, but we are talking a part to part. A fraction, on the other hand, would be a part to whole comparison, or a part to the total. Fractions are always over a total, where a ratio most of the time is going to be a part to part comparison. So if we have 4 to 5, and if we want to do an equivalent ratio, one thing real easy we could do is just make sure we times the same number on top as we do on the bottom. So that would become 8 to 10, or 8 over 10. For number 6, if it's 12 over 30, not only can we multiply by the same number on top, but we could also divide by the same number on top. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. That would be an equivalent ratio. And then finally, if we have something like 2 over 9, instead of dividing, something real easy to do is timesing by 10, because then we're really only adding a 0 with the original ratio. 2 to 9 would be the same as 20 to 90. Once again, we're talking about equivalent ratios. We want to make sure that we can multiply or we can divide to come up with an equivalent ratio. And again, the main thing, ratio, we're talking about a part-to-part comparison.